Luoyang Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited with brand Event, established in 2004, is professional in researching and producing high-precision cross-roller bearings, rotary table bearings, harmonic reducer bearings, and non-standard bearings. Benefits from Luoyang's unique bearing industry foundation. Our company has established a complete quality management system and has an excellent technical team. Our all products are produced by advanced CNC machines and are 100% inspected. Precision grades are P5, P4, and P2. Monton Bearing was established in 2001, seated in Luoyang, ancient imperial capital and pioneer flower city. We're focusing on the bearing field for more than 20 years, and we're specializing in the development of high-tech, high-precision, advanced, non-standard bearings. Monton's mission has been and will continue to be provide customers with complete integrated solutions, including design and development, manufacturing, testing and evaluation, and second to none after-sales service. BMZ is a professional bearings manufacturer and trading company focused on high-precision, low-noise, deep groove ball bearings. The company is located in the center of Chinese bearings industry city, Cixi. The company equipped with high-precision automatic bearings, grinding machine, assembling, clearing, grease filling line. The precision device, advanced production techniques, and strict quality control system guarantee high precision, low noise, and long service lifetime of our bearings. Our products widely applied on motor, electrical tools, office equipment, ATM machines, and so on. We also can design and produce various of non-standard bearings. The OTY Industrial Company Limited is one of the biggest bearing factory in China, and we are specialized in high-quality single-rod deep groove ball bearings, stainless steel ball bearings, mini-arch bearings, flanged bearings, full and hybrid ceramic bearings, and plastic roller wheels. In order to meet the different client needs, we only sell the fitness quality ABEC1, ABEC3, ABEC5, and ABEC7 grade bearings with characters such as low noise, low friction, high precision, high sealing performance, long work life. Come and join us, we will surprise you.